Stenciling a road case today. Picked these little stencils up at Lowe's. I've tried a bunch of them and spent a lot of money on shitty stencils. These ones actually, I like them. They're like cardboard, unlike the plastic ones, but they're cheaper. But they work good, especially for these road cases. I used on that case. You can see how it fucked up, and I spray painted it, but then I went over it with a marker, with a sign marker. But that just got a lot of spray paint, and this is just much cleaner, as you can see, versus that. And before it was worse. It was really hazy. But these are working. These are working well. And when I was at Lowe's, next to where I got these in the same aisle where you get casters, because I'm going to be putting some casters underneath that big trunk. It was all in the same area. They had this pen. I know you could use a Sharpie and stuff, but this seems to work slightly better than a Sharpie. It's a signed permanent marker, waterproof. You know, just like a Sharpie is. It's got like one of those. It's got a really. I don't even think you can see it. The tip is It's got a really fine tip, and it's got that big flat head to color it in. But I think the pin was $1, and the stencils, and it came with a lot of them. It came with like not only A through Z, it came with a little bit more letters. It came with all numbers. It came with points and periods, periods and commas and dollar signs and cent signs and different kinds of different things and stuff. So it was pretty cool. And this only cost like $2.98, but you have to just punch them out, but they fall right out. If you know what I mean, you have to like pop each one of the little holes and stuff, but they come out really easy. But yeah, and then now I need an eye. So yeah, fun stuff. Just putting it on my cable and microphone case right now, so I'll show you what it's like in a few. I wish I had a tripod for this damn thing, but I don't, so let's see if I could find some way to hang it up. Let's see here. There, let's try that. And just line it up. It's pretty quick. It's cleaner than a marker. You could do this in your house like I am at 10 o'clock at night. It dries really quick. Oops. Just outline it. And it actually on these cases. It fills it in nice, and you don't have to like press really hard. The Sharpies tend to have to press a little harder for them to work. I bought new ones, so yes, they weren't dried up. So I don't know. I didn't want 3 inches. I wanted these ones originally. These are 2 inches. So there's audio. Nine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. see, Underline. Underline 812 3 4 5 6 7 8. Underline 9 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 2 4 5 6 7 8 9. Just want to make sure I'm really anal on where the placement is. I just don't want it to be, I don't know, I just like it as things centered and straight. And the fine point, you can really get up into these fine spots, these corners, like on this end. The point that's right down here, it just fills it in. See how fast that was? N. I swear I went into Lowe's just to get a couple things. Had to get so much. It's like going into Costco. Going there for one thing. Walk out with 12 other items. Now, the tip is coming apart a little bit, just like the Sharpies did and everything else. It's because it's not a smooth surface, so every time you run it across, the grains slowly breaks it up. So I'm losing my fine tip. But oh well. Oh shit. Now I'm much happier with these than the previous ones I got. I like the way these the font is on these stencils versus the other ones we got. And you know it's not going to be spray paint all over them, so I could reuse them several times. That's right. Now some people, they do it this way, the same way I'm doing, and they use a paint, which is fine too. You can use a paint. I think it takes a little longer because they put the letter on, they put the stencil on, they tape it, and they put all of them on. Just one and tape, next one tape, and then they just get their paintbrush and paint it and take them all off. And that works too. Marker, especially these permanent markers, just like Sharpies and whatever, they do the same thing as paint's going to do. It's going to come off, it's going to come off if it hits something, but... brain farting. And why am I showing you guys this? I have no idea. Just because. Actually, I went on YouTube, and I wanted to see how other people did it after I already put mine on. I just was curious on how other people did it, and I only found there's only one video of a guy, and it's not even on YouTube. It's on some other site that if you Google in putting stencils on a road case or whatever, it comes up with one guy. It's a black and white video, no sound. His name's Jason something, and he's painting his on there. If you go to Google Videos, you'll find that. YouTube, there's nothing else. There's nothing else on there. So, I guess I'm doing this the first person to post a video of somebody stenciling words, letters on a road case. Lucky me. Lucky you. Oh shit, I pulled that away too quick. I'm really impressed with this marker for 99 cents. Or 98 cents. And if you want to know something else about this marker, I once used a bunch of Sharpies in one day inside my house. And let me tell you, my house smelled like Sharpies for a few hours. And it kind of gave me a headache. This marker, I don't even know who makes it. All it says is sign marker. It said it on the case, the little box that it came in, but not on the marker. It doesn't really have a scent. It has that little marker scent, but it's not nearly as strong as a I hate dragging it as a Sharpie. It's got a little cushion in there for the cap too, so it stays moist. That's it. I think I kind of could have moved it over about a good centimeter or two, but oh well. There you go. Some scuffs. Well, that's the case. That's much better than that. It's much cleaner looking. Alrighty, thank you. Anthony from Audio Underline. Thank you for watching these educational videos of pointless, retarded things that we do around the house. Alrighty. And don't forget to celebrate America. There you go. Take care.